In this example, we're going to do the opposite of simplifying division. I'm calling it unsimplifying division. And we can use it to find various techniques. For example, 5/7 is equivalent to something over 42. They're exactly the same size fractions. So 5/7 is going to be exactly the same as something over 42. So what we notice, we want to find the prime factors of each of those numbers. 5 is prime, 7 is prime, 42 has prime factors. 42 is 7 times 6. 7 is prime, 6 is 3 times 2. So what we can write down now is that, say, 5/7 is equivalent to 7 times 3 times 2. And what we need to do now is to look at our fraction and see what's happened to it. So we originally had a 7 here, and we have our 7 here. So we need to move our 5 over. But let's see what's happened to that 7. It has now been multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 2. So we need to do that to the top and bottom to make that equivalent. And what you'll notice here is that actually if we split this up, we'd have 5 over 7 times 3 over 3 times 2 over 1 over 2 over 2. And actually if we cancelled it out, the 3 over 3 would make 1, the 2 over 2 would make 1, and this would come back to be 5/7. So they are exactly equivalent to each other. So our final answer will be 5/7 is equivalent to 5 times 3, which is 15, 15 times 2, which is 30, over 42.